Well, good morning everybody. How are you today? Pretty good here, and welcome back to the channel. And that's right, I have an epic new Jeep Gladiator mod. What I'm gonna do, or at least what I'm hoping, we've got the Jeep sitting out here, and to be honest, I've been a little unhappy with the front end. Not what I've done with the grill or anything, or even the tow hooks. I think all that looks pretty good. But this bumper, it just doesn't look right on the Jeep for what I'm trying to achieve. I'm looking for something more like this. So recently I placed an order for what I'm hoping is a new bumper. I'm not exactly positive what's in this box, but I'm thinking that's what it is. So we're going to unbox this and see exactly what I've got. Now, the reason I say I'm a little unsure is because this time around I actually went with a knockoff. When I tried to get what was similar to that one, it was showing out of stock and discontinued. I don't know. So I did find it some other places, but it was extremely expensive. So I found this knockoff, and we're gonna unbox this and see if indeed it is at least similar to this. I certainly hope so. Let's get inside here and see what I've got. Okay, let's see what we've got here. I'm gonna take pieces out, hopefully, and set them up on the table over here. First we got to cut it open, of course. Interesting way of packing. Very interesting way of packing. Let's see. All right, I guess we'll just start cutting stuff off. I had forgotten, this is the Rubicon bumper, but it does come with the ends that you can take off. So that might be why I'm experiencing some extra weight. This does feel heavier to me than the one that's on my wife's Jeep. So that might be why, or at least part of the reason anyway. This, I'm not even sure what the heck this is. It's kind of like Christmas, but I'm not sure you really want to open the package. Or what to expect, I guess. Huh. Yeah, this I don't, oh, I know what this is. This is supposed to be the bar that goes across the top. That looks to be about the same to me, so that's a good thing, I guess. This piece, not really sure. I did hear that this bumper had to be put together as opposed to the one that's on my wife's Jeep coming all assembled, so that's going to be interesting. I don't know what this is, other than being heavy. Let's see, we have a box of, I don't know what. I'm assuming this is hardware. Let's take a look. Yeah, lots of hardware. Sure what the heck this is. Set that aside. Next, looks like maybe the bumper part itself. Nope, more pieces. I know what these are. Fog light bezels or fog light covers, so I know what these are. That's good. Finally, I recognize something. And they look like they're the right ones, so that's good. Let's keep going. Okay, it does have the ends that come off. That's a good thing. Get some of this out of the way, and I'll set it up here on the table. So hopefully we can take a better look at it. See about lifting this puppy out of here. Oh my goodness. It's just very, very, very heavy. Again, for what I was expecting. Wow. It does have the tow hooks. They're red. That'll give you something to grab onto. Hopefully they don't give way. Okay. The tow hooks are a little, well, they're a little loose. That's okay. They can be tightened. No big deal. They do look a little different than what is on the other Jeep. All right. There you go. Wow. Again, this is supposed to be the Rubicon style bumper. Does look a little bit different. Until I actually get things situated, I won't be able to tell. Doesn't look like there's that much assembly, actually, to me. The only part I don't know about is this big part in the back. I'm not sure where that goes. And I don't really see any instructions of any kind in here. So, I think it's going to be one of those kind of guess as you go kind of installs. Yeah, there are no instructions that I can see, so hopefully it's intuitive enough that I can actually put it together without needing instruction. We shall see. I'm going to go ahead and do a couple more things on it here. It does have the LED fog lights. They are different. They are different than my wife's, for sure. Doesn't mean there's anything wrong with them. They're just a different style, and I don't have a problem with them. They are blacked out, so that's kind of cool. Yeah, let me go ahead and inspect this a little further, and then we'll come back on and see what we have here. All right, let's take a look at the progress so far. We've got everything out, laid up. I have taken the ends off. It did come with these ends down here. Extensions, I did pull those off, put the bolts back in just to hide the holes. Tightened down the tow hooks. These are going to need a little touch up, it looks like. And went ahead and put the bar in across the top. So far, everything's looking okay. You guys can get a look at it there. There's what it looks like so far. Got to put the covers on the front and then figure out what the rest of all this hardware is for, especially these. I don't know what these are all for. Got some bars and things. Looks like some kind of light cover, some other bars. These little clip-like things. I don't know if they included a bunch of extra pieces in case you were going to put a winch on or maybe some other stuff. I'm not exactly sure. But it looks like the way the bumper is right now is pretty much how it would go on. And this piece here. This looks like some sort of a skid plate or underbody protection, something like that. Till I get the Jeep in and go to do the actual install, I'm not sure what that really is for. So, got to put the ends on. These covers, I actually have different covers without the holes in them. So we will be putting those on so they look just like this. Again, no holes in the front. I'm not sure what the holes are really for. But we're not going to have those, obviously, on mine. So let's take one more look, let you guys see what the lights look like. Let's see, it's right down here, and I know they have covers on them, but I do like that they're blacked out. That's pretty cool. Obviously, you have to have some reflective surface in there, but they are LEDs. And should be pretty cool, and I actually like them a little better than what's in my wife's out there, so should be pretty cool. I think, like I said, I think I've got everything where it needs to be right now as far as ready for the install on the Jeep. That is going to be a separate video. That's going to be a bit more detailed. Hopefully, fingers crossed, everything fits on there properly. I don't see why it wouldn't. The only problem I could see encountering would be if for some reason the mounting holes on this new bumper don't line up with the studs or the screws on the Jeep, because that's what we're going to mount it to, obviously. So that's where I'm at right now. If I figure out, and it won't be until I do the install, like I said, what these other pieces here are for, we'll go over those in the install video, just to see. Got gnats out here, man. Just to see what those pieces are for. Again, I think there are other things included in this kit that aren't necessary for just a bumper install, but we shall see. Anyway, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever done a knockoff bumper install and what you might have experienced. Did you get a bunch of extra pieces and stuff? I'd be curious to hear. Might help me out. Also, if you haven't and you're interested, check out my other channel. It is Rob Motive, all about my 2020 Toyota Tacoma back here. Don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And do me a favor, smash that subscribe button on the way out. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.